Hi there, welcome to MinisForum. Today we are going to show you our latest Ryzen mini PC, the HM90. It's the big brother of our HM series mini PC, which is powered by Ryzen9 4900H processor and Radeon Graphics. We are going to run some games and do some benchmarks using this computer. First, let's start with the spec and unboxing. The AMD Ryzen9 4900H has 8-core 16-thread based on the AMD Zen 2 architecture. All 8 cores are clocked at 3.3 to 4.4 GHz. In addition, the APU also integrates a Radeon Spec graphics card with 8 CUs which can run up to 1750 MHz. The dual-channel memory controller supports DDR4 3200 RAM. The chip is manufactured in the modern 7nm TSMC process. It supports M.2 2280 PCIe SSD, and we can add 2 more 2.5-inch hard drives. It comes with AX200, so it supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. The package includes a multi-language menu, the computer, a power adapter and a power cable, a 2.5-inch drive holder, HDMI cable, a bezel mount and screw set to put the PC on the back of the monitor. Next, take a closer look at the computer. We have a white and silver design. The computer is about 150mm long, 150mm wide, and 55mm tall. On the front, we got a power button, 2 audio jack, 2 USB 3.1, and a USB Type-C which supports 4K 60Hz display output. On the back, we got 4 more USB 3.0 ports, one 2.5GB Ethernet port and a 1GB Ethernet port, one display port and one HDMI, so in total it can support up to 3 4K 60Hz display output, a Type-C power port and one Kensington lock. Air vent on both sides to blow out the hot air, and there is a BIOS reset button. Next, we got some benchmark results to give you a general idea about how this computer performs. First one, Cinebench R23 single-core 1300 and multi 11659. For R15, OpenGL 66 FPS and CPU 1971. Geekbench 5, OpenCL 14499, single-core 1227 and multi 7200. Three D Mark 11 test result. On the left hand side we got the HM90. Pass mark rating we got 5224. PC mark 10 5524. About the pricing, we are currently offering a pre-sale discount and 3 different configurations for the HM90. So after discount is $479 for bedroom unit, $649 for 16GB of RAM plus 512GB of storage, and $759 for 32GB of RAM plus 512GB of storage. And this is pretty much everything for today's video. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any question in the comment sections. I will see you in the next one.